Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Bosch brand dishwasher and you're getting an error E17 and you're wondering what is this error and how do I get rid of it? Because if you have the E17, it's not going to run. And the reason it's not going to run is because the E17 error is a water intake error, which means you turn your dishwasher on, you go to start a cycle, and the machine tries to bring water into it so that it can do its cycle, and it doesn't get the water that it needs. So in order to get rid of this E17 error, all you need to do is figure out why is the machine not getting water. And 95% of the time it's going to be one of these things. You need to check and make sure the water to your house is on. Make sure that the valve where the hose, the intake hose hooks up to your water, make sure that valve is all the way to the left, all the way counterclockwise, all the way open. And then you want to make sure the hose, so the hose that's behind the dishwasher that goes into the water source, that hose can get kinked or bent or smushed back behind your dishwasher. So if you, for example, when you install it, if you push it real hard up against the wall, you can end up pinching or kinking the hose and then water can't flow through it, and then you'll get this error. If you've checked all that stuff and it's not that, the next thing to do is to just unscrew the hose and check. There is usually a screen filter that filters out debris, and make sure there's nothing in there clogging that up. And if you're able to check all those things, 95% of the time you'll be able to get water flowing back into your dishwasher and get it working fine and get rid of the error. Anyways, I hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.